Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm a makeup artist, YouTuber and content creator based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn my hair from this to this, what you have here now, how I covered up the bald spots and how I, prep my hair for like an everyday to day basis. Okay, when stepping out, I am on low cut 90% of the time. Like when you see me out and about, this is how you see me. This is the content you like to see, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. It only takes 1 second. So guys, to begin with, I had to use a close-up lens so that you will see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so typically this is how my front hair looks like. This is how my hair looks. Can you see? And we're going to transform this. We're going to transform it. So what are the things you need? The first thing you need is hair cream. I have this one from Nature's Gentle Touch, the Nature's Gentle Touch coconut oil hair and scalp conditioner, and I also have this normal Soulmate hair cream. Okay, so the first things, you can use either or. Second thing you're going to need is this eco styling gel. It comes in this color, it comes in the black, it comes in any one I lay my hands on I get. And the third thing you are going to be needing is a hair wax. I was hoping to do this like after a fresh haircut, but I've not had a chance to go get a haircut, and the content idea is just there before I forget about it. The last thing, the first, second, third, I beg your pardon, the third thing you're going to be needing is a hair wax. This one is from Kaiwa. This is a Kaiwa hair wax edge control, so like a very good edge control, not those ones that don't do. This one stays. Okay, you're going to be needing a comb, normal comb. You're going to be needing this comfort thing. The fifth one is an edge brush that has this comb thing at one end and the brush at the other side. That's the fifth item. And then the sixth and final item you're going to be needing is a Davis brow pencil in number 3. So the very first thing you do, I want to make use of my Nature's Gentle Touch hair conditioner or hair cream today. You're going to take a little bit of that hair cream. You're going to apply this on your damp hair. Like you can see that the hair is fairly damp. You're going to apply and rub it in really well. Rub. I do this after a fresh haircut. People think I have like really full hair, but I don't. And then after that, you're going to take your comb and you're going to comb from the back to the front. I'm trying to grow this part of my hair, so whenever I go for a haircut, I tell them not to cut it. So comb thoroughly. This is the only time you're going to comb the hair. You comb, okay? Then after you comb, you are going to take your Davis number 3. I didn't tell you number 18. I didn't tell you black. I said number 3. You're going to take your Davis number 3 brow pencil. I like to have at least 2 or 3 handy, well sharpened. Okay, well sharpened. A sharpened brow pencil. Like you can see, I'm almost done with this one. Then I typically start from my left hand side. You are going to draw a line like this, and then you start taking gentle strokes and bringing it downwards. Okay, downwards, almost more like you are filling in that front. The line I like to put here is because of the pattern I have, so that it just flows. Okay, now you're going to take it downwards, and it also helps if you have like tiny little hairs there, like it's not all the way bald. That helps a lot. You're going to do that. Take it all the way down. Then you're going to take that your comb, this part of your edge brush, and you're going to comb through it downwards. Just comb downwards. Can you see that? Magic. Then I have some sparse hair here as well. I'm going to take that pencil and pencil has broken. I'm going to take that pencil and draw a line like where the part is supposed to end. It's quite unfortunate that I didn't have a fresh haircut before this, and you're going to start filling in gently, okay? Once more, you take your little comb part and then you comb upwards and to the side, okay? You can see some semblance of that pattern there. Now this is the place like my real problem area. Can you see how that looks? We're going to change that shortly. You're going to take your pencil, your brown pencil once more, and then you're going to start filling in. I like to draw the lines from up down. I don't like to draw it side to side. I like to draw it up down. I like it gives it that just little strokes, any sparse areas you see, you just fill it in. It is far better than you using a black hair dye. This one I can do it daily, like it doesn't even take me 10 minutes and I am done. I like the look of low cut, but because my hair is not like, I don't have, see, the pencil is done. You're going to take another pencil or you sharpen it, either one, and you continue, okay? You just continue, keep at it, keep on. Like I was saying, I like the look of this compared to like the black hair dye. The black hair dye is just obvious, and because of the bald parts of the hair, it just makes it look funny. And in person, one-on-one, this looks really beautiful. Can you see how that just covered everywhere? Once more, you take this part of your brush and you just comb. It helps to bring the hair to the top and just give the impression that there is something there, okay? Can you see that? Okay, now the next thing I like to do will be to take my Eco Styling Gel. I just dip my hands in it and take this much, so this tub can last me a really long time. And then I rub my hands together and I start going in circular or clockwise and anti-clockwise motion. Take the other part, clockwise and anti-clockwise, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Just do that. When I get to the back, I kind of just slick it down like this, just so that, don't rub this Eco Styling Gel anywhere here because it will just clean it off. I tried that before and I learned the hard way. And most times I'm doing this, I have a baby wipe handy so that I can just clean my hands in between application, or just quickly use the sink, okay? So this is going to give it some curls. All right, see how beautiful that looks. And then, where's my baby wipe? I have my baby wipe here. Because I'm filming, if I wasn't filming, I would have just stood up and gone to wash my hands. So you can have baby wipe handy, you can choose to, but I like to use a dry hand. I like to wash off the Eco Styling Gel first before I go on this next step, okay? Now we're going to be taking that Kaiwa hair wax. Like mine is, I'm just scraping, and the vendor I got this from, I'm taking this much. She told me that she's even looking for the product, so I'm just hoping I get it soon. Then I'm going to take this and just apply on this part of the hair. Just apply it downwards, downwards. Oh gosh, I wish I had done this when I had like a fresh haircut, like they had crept all hair down. You see the beauty. So after applying that, you're going to take the brush part of your edge brush now, and you are going to just gently slick this down. Gently slick it down. Just do that. Sometimes I form baby hairs, but not all the time. And when you are using your brush, you remember that you have pencil underneath, so be very careful so that you don't clean the pencil you have under. Okay, be very careful. And I like the fact that this hair wax is black, so it's, you know, kind of helps to cover up the bald spots as well. Then I take what is left and I bring it down this way, just a tiny little bit. This is just what I discover works for me, or works for me beautifully, and I have been doing it. And if you see me and this with a fresh haircut, you will not believe that this hair is what I just showed you. And then I just like to bring down this here to form like a, what do they call this thing that they do here, and it just gives that. Be gentle when you are doing this, so that you don't take off the pencil you have underneath. Okay, I just take whatever is left and I just brush down the back of the hair, just so that it's a bit slick. And there you have it, guys. The finished look. Really, really, really beautiful. I love this, and this is how I just go out with my low cut hair, and it looks so beautiful. And when you see this in person, it doesn't look as though I have on hair dye or anything. It just looks like my hair is growing from my scalp, and there's a little bit of curls on the hair. And I just thought to come on here and share, if you have like balding spots, or if you always wanted to go on low cut, or you just feel like your hair is stinging out in the front. I actually cut my hair because of this. I thought that when it's growing out that everything will grow out together, but it didn't. So somehow I just ended up staying on the low cut. I have my wigs when I want to look another way, but like on an everyday basis, this is what you see me mostly on. I try to get a haircut like once every 3 weeks or once a month, depending on how busy I am or how much time I have on my hands. And so that is how I transform my hair. And with this, I'm on my way out. Whenever I'm on low cut, I try to wear bigger hoops. I feel like it makes me look, I don't know, I just like the look better. There you have it, guys, how to transform your hair and cover bald spots if you are suffering from hair loss like me. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned till the end, and until I come your way again, remember, yes, bye guys.